Hi and welcome to another awesome tutorial, and today we'll be learning how to boost the performance of your campaigns with advanced analytics in a few easy steps. Awesome! So without further ado, let's jump in. Okay, so the first thing you'd want to do is you want to make sure you're on your Automizely Marketing admin panel. And once you're here on this page, go ahead and click on Analytics. And once you click on Analytics, you'll come here to this page, the pop-up and form analytics. Awesome. So by default, the charts include data for the last 7 days. And obviously, you can change that per your need, which means you can change the settings to yesterday, last 7 days, last 30 days, or all time. Let's go ahead and click on the last 30-day option. And let's see what kind of data we get. And perfect! The data shows us that in the last 30 days, our conversion rate is 8.33%. So only 8.33% of the traffic that we get actually converts. Awesome. And we can also see the data day by day if we hover over each day. And for each day, you can see your store's conversion rate, the conversions, and views. Perfect. Now let's go ahead and check out our conversion rates of our top performing campaigns. And you can find that out in this section here. You can also check the top products added to the cart by shoppers. And not only that, but you can also check and track your new subscribers each and every day. That's awesome. I'd love this tool if I wanted to grow my store by finding out which one of my campaigns performed the best. Now, you can not only filter your analytics from the last 30 days or 7 days or all time, but you can also analyze the performance of all your campaigns by choosing your forms here. And you can also use this button here to clear all the filters so you can start fresh. Awesome. And as you can see, the filters have now cleared. It says the data is available from January 6, 2022. And that's a wrap of the tutorial. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any problems or any issues, just let us know and we'll fix them up. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, good luck, and I'll see you next time.